Ever wondered about the sheer scale of community banking? How many individuals entrust their financial well-being to institutions rooted in local values and personal connection? Today, we're diving deep into the heart of one such institution, Patriot Bank. But instead of simply stating a number, let's embark on a journey to understand the significance of membership in a bank like Patriot. What does it truly mean to be a member, and how does that translate into the size and impact of this financial cornerstone? Think about it. When you choose a bank, you're not just selecting a place to store your money. You're entering into a relationship, a partnership built on trust and mutual benefit. For community banks like Patriot, this relationship often extends beyond mere transactions. It's about being part of a local ecosystem, supporting neighbors, and fostering economic growth within the community. So, the question isn't just how many members does Patriot Bank have, but rather, what does that number represent? Does it signify the breadth of their community reach? The depth of their local impact? The level of trust they've cultivated over the years? To answer these questions, we need to understand the landscape of community banking itself. Unlike large, multinational corporations, community banks are typically locally owned and operated. Their focus is on serving the needs of individuals, families, and small businesses within a specific geographic area. This localized approach often fosters a stronger sense of loyalty and connection between the bank and its members. Decisions are made locally, understanding the unique economic climate and needs of the community. Loan officers often know their borrowers personally, and the bank's success is directly tied to the prosperity of the region it serves. Patriot Bank, operating within this framework, likely embodies these principles. Its growth and the number of its members probably reflect its commitment to these community-centric values. Each member represents a household, a small business, or an individual who has chosen to partner with a local institution that prioritizes their needs and the well-being of their community. Now, while a specific, real-time membership number can fluctuate, understanding the scale of a community bank's impact involves considering several factors. It's not just about the raw count, but what that count signifies in terms of community penetration and engagement. Consider the services offered by Patriot Bank. Are they tailored to the needs of the local population? Do they offer specialized support for small businesses, a cornerstone of community economies? Are their lending practices geared towards fostering local growth and opportunity? A high membership number would suggest that a significant portion of the community finds these services valuable and relevant to their financial lives. Furthermore, the longevity and reputation of Patriot Bank within its operating area play a crucial role. A bank that has served its community for many years, building a strong track record of reliability and customer service, is likely to have a substantial and loyal membership base. This loyalty is earned through consistent dedication to the financial well-being of its members and a genuine commitment to the community's success. Think about the role Patriot Bank might play in local initiatives. Do they sponsor community events? Support local charities? Offer financial literacy programs? These engagements further solidify their ties with the community and can contribute to a growing membership as more people recognize their commitment beyond just banking transactions. The digital age has also transformed how banks interact with their members. While community banks pride themselves on personal relationships, they also leverage technology to enhance convenience and accessibility. Online banking platforms, mobile apps, and digital payment solutions allow members to manage their finances efficiently, regardless of their physical proximity to a branch. A strong digital presence can expand a community bank's reach and attract a wider membership base, even among those who prefer the ease of online interactions while still valuing the community focus. So, while we might not have a precise, up-to-the-minute figure for Patriot Bank's membership, we can appreciate that the number likely reflects years of dedicated service, a deep understanding of the local community's needs, and a commitment to fostering financial well-being within that region. It represents countless individuals and businesses who have placed their trust in a local institution that sees them not just as account holders, but as valued members of the community. To truly grasp the significance of their membership numbers, we could explore publicly available information, such as annual reports or community impact statements, if Patriot Bank makes them accessible. These documents often provide insights into the bank's growth, its reach within the community, and its overall impact. Industry benchmarks for similar-sized community banks in the region could also offer a comparative perspective, helping us understand where Patriot Bank stands in relation to its peers. Ultimately, the exact number of members is a snapshot in time. What's more important is the story that number tells, a story of community trust, local commitment, and the power of a financial institution deeply rooted in the lives of the people it serves. It's a testament to the idea that banking can be more than just transactions. It can be a partnership that strengthens the very fabric of a community. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.